Hello here at OneOfAGift, and today I will try to make the World Cup statue for the 2026 World Cup that's coming up. So let's go straight to XTool Studio. Here we are in XTool Studio, and with the help of the AI make, I've generated the World Cup trophy, and my input was, let me see, the World Cup football trophy, minimalist vector design, black silhouette on white background, clean sharp lines, suitable for laser cutting wood, globe shape on top, geometric pedestal base, World Cup 2026 text below, no gradients, no shadows, and it will be a two-layered piece. And this is the result. Here I have it in XTool Studio, and I've put a rectangle on top of it to cut some wood out. And I will be using my XTool F2 with the slide extension. You can pick it here, pick the slide extension. And the material I will be using is plywood and walnut plywood. So apply, and let's start the auto measure. That is ready. The settings will be laser type blue light, power at 90%, speed at 6 and 1 pass, and that should be okay. I will start the process, and it will be a two-layered design. So here's the World Cup statue, and let's start. So that is finished, and I will refresh the background. I had to deal with some troubleshooting because there was some false flames detected, and I need to redo it again. There was too much sunlight, and I need to close the lid a little bit because the lid was open due to my time-lapse videos, but because there was too much sunlight, it detected this as a flame. So problem solved. Look at this, beautiful. It cut through completely, and I want to cut one more rectangle out, so I want to have two different pieces, light on dark and dark on light wood. So I will continue this one. Finished, done, and now I will use the walnut plywood. I will change the material. Apply. Let's auto measure it. Done. Okay, new image. You can see the wood. Now it is the plywood, and I will cut the rectangle. Process, start. That is done. I will refresh the background, and it's cut fully through. That is done. I will refresh the background. Yes, and I will turn the output on. And now let's cut everything. And by the way, I'm going to increase the power a little bit to 95. Change this a little bit to the right. Okay, that should be enough. And now let's start this process. Finished. I will refresh the background. And it got completely through. Beautiful. And in the meantime, I'm working on the first one. And look at this. Let me change the camera. Still need to be glued, so it is loose now. But this is the first result. Light on dark. Second one will be dark on light. Do you like it? And what do I need to change? You tell it. Let me know it in the comments. And here I have the result. Dark on light, so walnut on plywood. And the other one, light on dark, that is plywood on walnut. And which one is your favorite? Pick one. This one or this one. Let me know it in the comments. Now I'm going to glue them together and then finish it off. So I've glued them together, and here I have the light piece with the dark World Cup statue on it. Do you like it? Let me know it in the comments. So light plywood with walnut plywood, and here I have the darker one, the walnut plywood with the light basswood plywood on top of it. I have a little burn mark here. If anyone has some advice how I can take it off, let me know it. I'm afraid to sand it because it is really small and fragile, so I don't want to damage it. And which one is your favorite? The white base layer with the dark on top, or the other one, the walnut plywood with the basswood plywood on it? Pick yours.